Hello everyone, welcome to our channel DcodeAI. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you a very interesting thing that will blow your mind. After listening and viewing the video, your mind will say, I want to learn this, I want to make this on my own. But before starting the video, I want to introduce to my friend Doru. Hi Doru.
Hey Gunjan.
So guys, Doru will give you a quick introduction on today's topic and then I will explain you further with a demo on it. So let's get started.
Today I am going to tell you about mask detection. You must be thinking, what is this topic? It's so easy, we all know what mask detection is, but wait. I know you all know what mask detection is, but do you know how to make your own mask detection model with the help of AI? Maybe not. Face mask detection platform uses artificial neural network to recognize if a user is wearing a mask or not. Mask recognition is a way of recognizing a human face through computer vision. A mask recognition uses biometrics to map facial features of a person. It then compares the information with a database of faces with masks to find a match. Now Gunjan will explain this with a demo.
So as Doru explained what is mask detection, now here I am going to show you how it works. So as you saw in the video, here are some of the features of face mask detection. First is automatically send alert. Send alert to the face which are recognized. Also set the rate of sending the alerts and detection of faces. Second is multi-channel recognition. Attach multiple cameras in a few minutes and enable all the cameras to assess the AI capability of recognizing face. No new hardware to install. The system can work on any existing RTSP camera without the installation of any new camera. Most of the hospitals and airports have IP cameras installed and RTSP enabled. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, it is very useful platform and it can be used at many places like airports, hospitals or offices. We hope you had some fun viewing our video. Please stay tuned and don't hesitate to post your comments, questions or suggestions. And if you want to learn AI through projects, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video drops in.